Delhi just recorded its hottest temperature ever at 52.3 degrees Celsius, breaking all previous records.
I'm sure that like me, you too saw these reports surfacing about Delhi hitting record-breaking temperature. But did mercury really cross 50 degrees? Let me tell you why the temperature reading could be questionable. On May 29th at 2:30 p.m., Northwest Delhi's Mungeshpur reported record-breaking temperature of 52.3 degrees Celsius. It turns out that this sensor reading could be wrong. According to the Indian Meteorological Department, the temperature across Delhi NCR varied from 45.2 degrees Celsius to 49.1 degrees Celsius. IMD Director General Mohapatra said that IMD is investigating the sensors in Mungeshpur to ensure that it is functioning correctly. Basically, Delhi has 20 monitoring stations. The average temperature across these stations ranged from 45 to 50 degrees Celsius, and 14 of them actually showed a drop in temperature, which is why IMD is currently checking the sensor data just to ensure if the recorded temperature was accurate. In fact, the Minister for Earth and Sciences, Kiran Rijiju, has said report about Delhi hitting record high temperature could not be official yet. The temperature of 52.3 degrees Celsius in Delhi is very unlikely. Our senior officials in IMD have been asked to verify the news report. The official position will be stated soon. Now, the sensor could be faulty, but it is important to note that in the past few days, Delhi has hit record high temperatures. In fact, the DISCOM officials have said that the national capital's peak power demand clocked 8,302 megawatts. This is the highest ever in the history of the city. But IMD has stated that there are chances of thunderstorm and drizzle in certain parts of the city. Due to western disturbances, there is possibility of thunderstorm and lightning in Delhi NCR and the entire northwest region. By June 1st, there is a chance that 3 to 4 degrees Celsius of temperature could be dropped. But if you are living in Delhi, you should try and stay indoors and ensure that you are hydrated and keeping yourself safe in these record-breaking temperatures.